know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 22nd, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Today, Friday, April 22nd, is the last day for the discounted yearbook price of $35. After today, prices will increase to $40. Online purchasing for the yearbook has been extended till Friday, May 6th. Yearbooks will continue to be available for purchase at the front desk until May 20th. April 28th is Bring Your Child to Work Day. If you'd like to bring your child to work with you, please let your student's teacher know ahead of time, so that way the absence can be excused. May 2nd to 6th is Teacher Appreciation Day. National Nurses Week is May 9th to 13th. Please help us show your teachers and nurses love and appreciation during these weeks. May 20th is high school graduation. May 23rd, 5th grade moving up for Miss Spiegel, Miss Lubin, and Mr. Ward's classes. May 24th is 5th grade moving up for Mr. Thornton and Miss Colavito's classes. May 25th is our kindergarten moving up ceremony. May 26th is middle school moving up ceremony. May 26th is also the last day of school. But don't forget, we have Form Fill Out Day. That is July 27th from 8:30 to 1 for the elementary campus and July 28th, 8:30 to 1 for the secondary campus. Please save that date to come into school to sign up for bus routes, shuttle, aftercare, free and reduced lunch, order uniforms, and fill out other very important paperwork. Kona Ice will be here from 10 to 1 each day. August 9th is Meet the Teacher at both campuses, and the first day of school for next school year will be August 10th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dvorak, elementary school counselor. I just wanted to get on today to just ask for help in a few areas as we get to the end of the year. We are running out of some gently used uniforms, so if you're doing some spring cleaning and your children have kind of grown out of some of the uniforms and you could donate them to our school, we would greatly appreciate it. Accidents happen here at school, and just to help some families in need, that would be great to finish off the year. So if you do have those uniforms, you could donate it. Just put it in a bag and mark uniform donation, and we'll get them to where they are needed. Also, I could also use your help for Career Day. It's coming May 20 in the morning here at the elementary campus. I have 20 speakers already set and ready to go. Ideally, I would like 31. We have 31 classrooms, so it would be great to have a speaker for every class. So to rotate that morning instead of joining classrooms up together. So if you could help out, I would greatly appreciate it. Just speaking about your career, it'd be a 2-hour commitment on Friday, May 20. I know next week is Take Your Child to Work Day. So maybe if you do take your child to work next week and they learn about your career, they could be a great help maybe to speak about your career with you for Career Day on May 20. So again, if you can help out, I would greatly appreciate it. You may email me with any questions that you have. Thank you.
All right.
Excellent. Hi, I'm Ms. Tomasetti. I'm the high school counselor at Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Just want to share some news with you. Our graduations this year will be at Santa Lucia's High School. Our high school graduation will be May 20th at 6 p.m. Our middle school graduation will be May 26th at 6 p.m. More information regarding graduation and tickets will be forthcoming. You are all doing such a wonderful job this year. Please maintain to keep it together. It's not over yet. We got to finish strong. Take care. So proud of all of you. Have a wonderful weekend.
Kindergarten had a very special trip this week. The kindergartners went to Meadows Park in Boynton Beach. They brought the butterflies they had raised from little baby caterpillars so they could be released. Miss Trish joined the children in the park with her mealworms. Miss Trish taught the students all about metamorphosis. The children also engaged in many activities such as egg and spoon relay races, drawing with chalk, parachute play, blowing feathers with straws, and playing in a super fun playground. A great time was had by all. And here are the secondary sharks of the week. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.